Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you and unboxing something I got at Tiffany. This is their new holiday stuff, new holiday men's collection, as I am aware. You can see they crossed off the little co and they have love there. Um, and so I'm really excited to show you guys this. It's not much, it is just a little necklace that I got, but um, anything Tiffany is nice. So here, I believe, is my receipt, yes. Little card. And then they do have a new men's fragrance that they gave me a sample of. I have not actually smelled it yet, but I will later on. And now to the box. So, pretty small box. It's just a little necklace, so hold on, let me get that thumbnail real quick. So you can see they have a red ribbon. Typically the ribbon that they use is white, but for the holiday season, apparently the past couple years they've been doing red and people really like it. I think it's fine. I actually think I actually like the white more, but that's just me. But they do a really good job at always packaging their items. But I'm going to undo this. Right, we got our nice little Tiffany blue box. Just going to pop that off. And here's my dust bag. And then underneath, I believe this is so care instructions. So the necklace that I got is sterling silver, so this is going to be a card talking about how to care for sterling silver in general. And then in here is just this cushiony little foam at the bottom. But in here we have the necklace. Very nice little soft cotton bag that says Tiffany. So they told me that I'm supposed to store it like with half the necklace on one side and the actual ring on the necklace on the other side. Thought that was kind of interesting. Probably not going to do that, to be honest, but and boom. So this is what the necklace looks like. Everything is sterling silver, so the ring and the actual chain itself is all sterling silver. And then the actual ring just has little Tiffany & Co. logos on it on both sides. Might be hard to tell, but there is some little tiny symbols on there. The actual length of this chain is 18 inches. I was debating on getting the 20-inch one, but after trying both of them around my neck, I decided to go for the 18-inch. And I'm going to try and put this on real quick. It is a little bit difficult because it is a very small chain, but I will try and do this for you guys. Got it connected. So this is what it looks like around my neck. Pretty standard, just a nice little ring with a little silver on there. I really like how it fits. It's really small, just nice. But yeah, the total after tax was $187. So the actual chain plus the ring costed, I believe, 170, I think, or 175. Um, and then after tax, it was 186. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this necklace, feel free to leave them in the comments. I had yet to see any of the Tiffany, um, really very much at all Tiffany stuff unboxed on YouTube, so I just wanted to put this video out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the necklace, and have a great holiday, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.